Welcome to Production Expert, my name's Dan Cooper. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to get a live band mix in shape using 4 plugins in Waves CLA Signature Series, which are, in effect, channel strips that do away with complicated controls. Each of these plugins has a bank of faders in the middle here for particular purposes such as compression, EQ, or effects, with a small selection of flavors, if you will, at the top here that can be toggled between very quickly, or you can even bypass some of these processes as well by just deactivating it. The first episode in this series, we took a look at Waves CLA drums, did a really good job. In this episode, we're going to be mixing the bass using CLA bass. Let's have a quick listen to what we got. So this is just a DI bass, nothing too extraordinary. But let's see what we can do with a bit of CLA bass. Let's take it out of bypass. So there is a level difference. To increase the input sensitivity, balance that down here on the output a bit. And the first thing you may have noticed is some stereo width. Now, it's worth mentioning that the CLA plugins are stereo, so if you've got a mono track, mono channel like this bass, if you load a CLA plugin, let's say in Pro Tools, it will go mono to stereo. Just worth noting. So, let's hear what we can do with this plugin for the bass. Now, where these faders are by default, I'm just going to highlight them all by holding Shift and click. It doesn't mean that nothing's happening. If all the faders are down, no processing. If they're up about halfway, you are getting some processing. That's why when you heard me take this out of bypass just a moment ago, you heard level difference, you heard the pitch and the width. So, let's push some faders. Compression first. Just going to knock that pitch out for a sec. Add a bit of grit, a bit of edge. That's nice. Alright, we're cooking it now. A little bit too aggressive, let's back that off. Let's try a bit of sub. Oh yeah, that's reaching low. Again, don't think we need too much of that at all. Bit of treble. Starting to sound a bit too nasal. Let's bring that down. Let's have a quick go with the pitch. Chorus. Wide. Spreader. Maybe it's just a small amount of this works. On chorus maybe. Sounding quite nice. Let's have a listen to the before. Much better. That's sounding like a proper bass now. Anyway, in the next episode, we're going to be taking a look at mixing the 2 electric guitars in this mix. So be sure to check that out. As always, thanks for watching. I'm Dan from Production Expert, and I'll see you in the next video.